back. I'm having dinner with my parents in an hour and 50 minutes. So we've got a solid hour and a half though. We're gonna be continuing work on the tower defense. So as you see, the enemies are spawning, but the new thing is that I can rotate the tower, and then whichever rotation it's in is the rotation it spawns in. So I believe I did that off stream. But yeah, and then this one is the same, although we don't, maybe we can take some time to design the towers. But before we do that, I want to, so this stream in the next hour and a half, I want to make it so I can click on a tower. So see how my mouse or my aiming thing like changes. I want to click on it. Family-friendly content. Thank you so much for the sub. I really appreciate it. How's it going, dude? It's been a while. 15 months. Holy shit. Some hearts. What's up, dude? I'm not doing dreams right now. I want to catch up on my YouTube video devlogs, and I need to say that every stream because the majority of my audience is from dreams. Been really busy. Yeah, it's all good. No, I mean, look, you don't have to watch the streams. It's all good. Yeah, I like this. So I want to hover and then maybe right click. Right click is cancel. Left click in this game is the universal like select or activate. So I'm gonna make it left click. So hover, left click. Hover, left click. Okay. Okay, I like it. I'll be right back. But this is a game you're creating? Is it coming along? Oh, but anyway, is this a game you're creating? Yeah, I'm in core. It's not new, but it's new for me. It's kind of like Dreams, but also like Roblox. If you're familiar with Project Spark, it's very similar to that. But yeah, it's like Dreams with real coding, I guess. Hey ZT, what's up? I'll be right back. I'm making a drink. Gang rise up. Yeah, I mean, hey, it's either this or nothing, so I mean, maybe you'd prefer nothing, frankly. I don't know, but it's either this or I edit my videos. I mean, if I didn't stream, I'd be able to edit my Dreams videos and then stream Dreams sooner, but it's good to take a break. I'm not sick of Dreams, but I do enjoy coding. Hey Danny, what's up? An eCert stream, something like that. Sorry if you've been gone for a while, life's been crazy. It's all good. It's no worries at all. So that's, but yeah, again, that's the plan. We're going to make it so we can click on a tower, a menu pops up, an upgrade, basically an upgrade menu. Is that it? I don't want to display level 1 like that. You'll be able to click the tower to get the info. Yeah, you get bored with it. And yeah. It's tough. It's tough with Dreams because like the only purpose really, like in the grand scheme of things, the only purpose for me making that game is for YouTube content and for Twitch content. But like genuinely, like yeah, even if it gets a ton of plays, it really, I mean, unless it goes viral and like outside of Dreams, it like getting plays in Dreams, it really doesn't matter. Like it just doesn't. Unless you get attention from like news outlets, like online news outlet kind of things, but or like win an impy from it or something. But other than that, it truly just doesn't matter. So I'm doing it for YouTube content, right? And I already have so many streams worth of the RPG that I need to turn into YouTube content. So every Dream stream I do, I get more and more behind, and it's just demoralizing. So I'm not gonna stream Dreams until I get caught up again. But this like if you get a popular game, you could literally monetize it. So that's pretty cool. It's like a tower defense game with RTX on. Yeah, it's cool. I think I can make something pretty nice in this. A Star Destroyer Dream, and it's taken a long time. You've been working on it for like 2 months. Holy crap! Wow, a Star Destroyer Dream. What is that? Like, what's the game? I prefer everything at this time because you can actually watch it. That's funny. I know pretty much everything I need to know with Lua at this point. And then whatever, like the syntax I know, and then I can just search whatever function I need in the script helper right here. And it's all here. It's really cool. Okay. You know what? Let's design a second tower really quick, because right now I just have one tower. It's just the same tower. Let's design a second tower before we continue. And also let's write our goals for the stream. So Sawblade Tower for test. Sawblade Tower for test tower 2. And then hovering a tower and left clicking opens its upgrade menu. Opens its upgrade menu. Opens its upgrade menu. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. Those are the goals today, guys. Only 2. The second one, there's a lot to it, but and yesterday, or I don't know if it was yesterday, I think it was 2 days ago, but yeah, Thursday, we had 4 goals. We completed them all. It was awesome. So, but these are the 2 things I want to do today for this stream. I'm maybe streaming after my dinner with my family, but oh, just a model. Oh my God, you've been working on one model for 2 months. Holy shit. That's crazy. All right. Right. So I want to make like a Sawblade tower. So I have a tower template, or test tower rather. Here's a tower. Now, okay. The question is, do I just make a second template? I think that's what I do. Yeah, that's what I do. Okay. So we're going to de-instance this object. All right. So this object is no longer instance. Can I create a new template from this? Create. I just asked if I could create a new template from this, and then it literally says create new template from this. Okay, great. So I actually want to keep the base, but for this new tower, I want to make tower modern weapon. Okay. I want to make like a saw blade kind of thing. Where we have modern weapon, I want to delete that. I'm going to create a new folder. Maybe not a folder. Let's make it a group. Create a new group. This is going to be called model, I guess. Models. And so we have the tower base, right? We have level 1. Well, these are just all of them at the same time. Basically, level 1 is a triangle base, 3 sides. Level 2 is 4 sides. Level 3 is 5 sides, etc. The models, I'm going to put whatever makes the tower. So for the first one, it's like a blaster. This one, it's going to be some sort of blades. And then eventually I'll put the different models for the different level ups. Because like I want the visuals to change when it levels up, but levels up. Yeah. Can we look for like blade? Ooh, hello. Fantasy sword blade. I mean, I don't want it to look too cool because we're gonna make it cooler, but we do want to make it look kind of cool. How about we start with knife? Let's okay, wait, I don't even see the, oh, there it is. Let's just start with a cool one. There you go. And I actually want this to be about there. Let's put this. So let's rotate it. We're grid snapping, but let's grid snap it to 45 degrees. There you go, just to make it simpler. Let's move it back down. And obviously it's going to be bigger than this. We need some sort of axle. That's the word I'm looking for. Cylinder. Modern weapon cylinder. Let's look up axle. Axle? No. Axe? Pipe, maybe? I mean, look, I can use the primitives and then texture it myself, but if I can just, yeah, something like this. Maybe, can we get like a sci-fi pipe? This might be perfect, actually. That is, you know what? That's exactly what we're looking for. Okay, where is the middle of this group? See, that's interesting to me. How the group, or is this a folder? No, it's a group. The group is centered, but then this is also centered, but it's not in the center. Ah, because the origin is right there. That's weird. That's super weird, but fair enough. There we go. I can't stress this enough, but maybe we can like duplicate it and rotate it. I am really not too concerned with what this looks like at the moment. There we go. So I'll make the blades stick out of those two little things. I'm really not concerned with what it looks like. I want it to look decent, but there will be an art pass. There will be multiple art passes. Hey, Night Artist. Yeah, we're working in core. It's like Dreams, but with multiplayer, monetizationable. That's not what I'm trying to say. Monetizable. There you go. It's like Dreams, but it has multiplayer. It's monetizable. It cannot import sounds. You cannot import models. You cannot animate. So there are trade-offs, but you can code, and it's on the PC. So like, it's interesting. It's interesting. I'm enjoying it though. My sword doesn't have a handle. Oh, it's just the blade. There it is. Okay. I don't want that. I don't even want that. That's kind of cool how it doesn't even have a handle. It's very customizable. All right. Now I want to scale this. Like, I mean, that's interesting. Very interesting. What am I gonna do? I kind of want this stuff in its own page. It's gonna be a little bit harder to stream it, but and then the event log. Let's place that under my camera, since no one really cares about that except me. Okay, this will give you guys more area to view. Oopsies. And I can just minimize it when I'm not using it. All right. Beautiful. So is this a good size for this? I mean, it should extend the entire path. Let's try to make it bigger. What about that? It looks a little stretched, but well, there we go. All right, I can work with that. And let's copy and paste it. And there's our tower. How does that look? I don't think it looks too bad. Does not look too bad. So we will need to make a new hologram, but I mean, I'll show you how easy that is. So actually, to make this hologram, all we have to do. Well, hold on. So test tower 2, and let's just finish this. Test tower 2. Right click, create new template from this. New template. Okay, and that's good. Now, check this out. For this hologram, I'm pretty sure we can just take models, copy it, go into tower-related tower holograms. Let's do that. We don't really need 2 folders. So tower holograms. test tower 2 hologram models. Okay, see these models? Oh, it has a base as well. Okay, well, that's fine. That's fine. So we're going to paste. Okay, and get rid of this and add in this. And I'm now realizing, you know what? Hold on. I'm now realizing that I need to do that. No. Okay, it's not. Wait. There we go. Yeah, sort of. There we go. Let's, I mean, we don't need that anymore, so let's just delete it. So now can we move these out of this folder? Yes, we can. All right. So, I mean, hopefully it's obvious, but we need to add the hologram material. Look at that. You can't do that in Dreams. So add the hologram material, but we're not totally done. I mean, we're pretty much done. It's just not this, this isn't lined up how I'd like it to be, and it's a little hard. There we go. I was gonna say, it's a little hard to see. There's probably a better way to do this, but to make it like exact, but this is fine. Oh, is there another? I think the Fantasy Blade has another material. Yes, it does. There we go. This is good though. So let's, well, hold on. There's one more thing. So now, with tower related, I believe there should be something. Yeah, tower spawn manager. So we have our tower spawn manager. Function build tower. Here, prop tower. This is where we need the change. Before, we only had one tower, so we really didn't care which tower spawned in because there was only one. Now there's multiple. So we need to make it so that the tower spawn manager knows about my second tower. Did I exit that? Oh shit. Did I exit that window? Oh no. I just straight up exited it. Okay, that's a mistake. Okay, so project content, templates. Test tower 2. This is our tower spawn manager. We're gonna drag that here and then just copy and paste this whole thing. So now I have access to my test tower 2 template, and we're gonna spawn it in. So instead of so when the server is asked to spawn a tower in, instead of just automatically spawning in this one, we need to decide whether we spawn this one or this one. So we need the client to tell this script that's on the server which tower to spawn. Flame Gaming, what's up, dude? How's it going? So we need to tell this function which tower to spawn. How do we do that? Do we have like a tower ID? Can we do something like that? I think that would make sense. Yeah. Right? I mean, basically, we need to have another field in here. So spawn position. So let's just start it off with tower ID. Spawn position, spawn rotation, spawn position. How about just position? Oh, that's confusing. That's probably why I didn't do that. Tower position. How about that? Tower rotation. All All right. And basically whatever tower ID gets passed in is which tower gets spawned. I'm just trying to think if there's a way to dynamically do this or if I have to hard code it. So basically if it's 1, do this one. If it's 2, do this one. Or is there a way where I can like get the ID and then go through all of these towers? But you know what? I don't know. Let's try that. Let's try to do it properly properly in my opinion. Hey, Arca. How's it going? So we have test tower. We have test tower 2. Is there a way to go through its properties? Let's put both of these in here. Oh. And can I give it a property? Yeah, so test tower. Oh, I can't. Oh, that's awkward. Oh, I guess I just can't. All right, that's fair, I guess. We will hard code it. It's easier anyway. So basically, we want to make a table. All right. Towers. All right. Equals, and then we do this, and basically tables. So tables start with an ID of 1, not 0. So I'm going to just make a towers table. Yeah, this is definitely, you know what? I'm glad I did this. This is definitely the right way to do it. Prop tower, prop test tower, prop. Okay, this should be prop test tower 2. I should probably rename that template. You know what? Now is a better time than any. So this tower, oh, it's called test tower. What the hell? So, oh, test tower. There we go. Okay, so let's do that. Prop test tower 2. Okay, this is a table. To access the table, you need a key. The default key. Wait, am I thinking about this right? Or is this just an array? Is this a table or an array? Hold on. Lua table. Lua array versus table. Your childhood, basically, yeah. Every new engine, I like to make a tower defense game. Oh, tables are arrays? Okay, it looks like tables are arrays. My table, and then 1 equals Lua. So when you put in a 1, but it can be more than just 1. It can be anything, I guess. Oh my god, yeah. But I think it defaults. Wait, I'm not actually sure. Oh, here. Oh no. Yep, look. So you can do fruits, and then banana, orange, apple, and then 1, 2, 3. And it just defaults, you can just automatically access it with numbers. Okay, perfect. So prop test tower 2, and oh, this is super easy. So now literally new tower, local new tower equals spawn asset. This is the asset, right? The asset is towers, tower ID. Tower ID is the index, towers is the tower. So it's either this one or this one based on the ID. Okay. That's fantastic. Now what? We need to pass that in. So where do we actually call that? I believe it's under tower building. Is it actually under building aiming? I think it is. Yeah, it is. That makes no sense. So I send that, I broadcast to server that build tower attempt thing in this script. So you see get aim position. So we're passing in the position, we're passing in the rotation, but I just added a third argument parameter. I think it's argument. Tower ID. So right here, we're gonna do tower ID. All right. which tower ID is it? We need to, okay, so this is interesting. We need to know which tower is currently trying to be placed. Do I even know that? We're gonna save this as an error. We have a state manager. We know that we're entering tower build mode. And we also know which button we've pressed. What picks that up? And I guess this could pick it up. So events.connect, what I already forgot what it was called. Tower button pressed. Tower button pressed. Tower button pressed. And so this is going to call a function. Tower button pressed. And it passes an ID, right? Right here. This is the ID that we're passing into this function. So I want to set a variable local tower ID current tower ID. And I guess we'll start it at 0. But so current tower, oops. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, current tower ID equals ID. Okay, now build tower attempt, we're just gonna pass in current tower ID. Like that. So now we're passing in the tower ID, the aim position, and the aim rotation. The server, that's not the server. That's not the server. The server receives this signal, receives this event, tower ID, tower position, tower rotation, and it builds a new tower. I probably should put so right now I'm checking on the client side whether or not things are colliding. I should probably check on the server side as well, but it's fine for now. Connect build tower attempts. Yep, I think this should work. Oh, okay. So I messed something up. Oh, did I? What does this say? Error running Lua task. Okay. Attempted to modify a field on a non-networked object. Right. Object. Tower holograms. Set world position. Was this supposed to be networked? Okay, it looks like when I created this second hologram, I didn't actually test it, and we have an issue. This has nothing to do with this has nothing to do with what I just did, I hope. So holograms, this holograms thing. Where is this script? This script, is this script here? This script is here. And it's telling the parent this. And it's trying to set its world position. Well, I mean, shouldn't this just be client? Shouldn't this be client? So let's undo that. This should be client side. Oh, that's why I had 2 folders. Okay. So we're gonna create a new context for clients containing this. So create new context containing. So anything in this folder is on the client. So tower holograms. And yeah, maybe call this like all tower holograms. Okay, now it works. So there you go. There you go. It works. And can we get rotation? Yep. So we've just successfully added a new tower. And then just to show you guys. Yeah. So, and this is, so why did I care about the server? Like, why can't I just spawn this in on the client? So let's try a multiplayer test. How is core so far? I really like it. I actually really like it. So, and this is why I really like it. Could I do an animation tutorial for core or for dreams? So you can see on the right side, I'm looking at myself, right? And notice how, so this is really important. Notice how the right screen does not see the hologram. But when I build this, see, I built it on the server. Or sorry, the server built it, and it is a networked object. So everyone can see this, right? So right screen and left screen can see it. And check this out. Bam. So right screen and left screen can see it. See? Look at that. So now this guy. So this is multiplayer. This is real multiplayer. But we're gonna turn that back off. A little bit laggy. Okay, I want all towers to not collide with the player. This is a really easy fix. So, oh, and actually, the hologram might. Nope, I guess not. The hologram does not collide with the player. That's good. Okay. So let's go to our template. Test tower 2. Put it in the scene. And we're just going to make all the models non-collidable. So gain collision, inherit from parent. Actually, yeah, sure. Let's just make the entire thing non-collidable. So this is the parent. Force off. I think that's just the easiest way to do it. Because I don't want anything to be collidable. I see literally no reason to make this collidable. So we're going to now update template from this, or you can just press this. Bam. So did that even work? Yes, it did work. Okay. Now we delete it. And now when we spawn it in, non-collidable. Hey, Murkos, thanks for the 30. I appreciate it.
Cheered. X30.
So the hologram is client, but then the object built is network. Exactly. So things on the client only the player can see. And when I say the player, I mean that player's client. Every player has a client, and there is one server, okay? So things on the client, only that player can see. Things on the things spawned from the server, everyone can see. So ideally I spawn, like it would have been nice if I could spawn a networked object from the client, but I'm pretty sure you just can't do that. So on Dreams, what type of animation? Because I have a couple. I'm making I'm making a NOT gate right now. I'm printing a new NOT gate. Now you can rotate this, but the rotation of these two towers specifically really doesn't matter. This looks at least a little bit easier than Network and Unity. It's basically all done for you. I mean, I don't technically know that because I've never tried to do networking in anything. This is my first time, but it's very, very easy. What on freaking earth? This is non-collidable, but the player's trying to. Oh no, that's a weird error. My hologram manager was destroyed. Also, why are my feet doing that? Is this like the exact height? Why does this happen? It's non-collidable. Okay, hold on. Maybe. Wait, does that happen with the hologram? No. Okay, this might be a bug, but the inherit from parent isn't disabling the visual collision with the player's feet, which is super weird, but that's okay. I think we can fix it. Wow, I keep exiting my windows. It's okay though. So this is, yeah, let's just inherit from parent. Let's go into this. The base should already, yeah, base is off. I guess we'll just do this. Bam, bam. Force off. Okay, now we're going to update the template. We're going to delete. We're going to try this again. Nope, still messes up. That is, that might be a bug with this specific object. Although, yeah, it doesn't happen with the gun. That actually might be a bug with this specific object. Huh. It doesn't affect the game at all, but it's non-collidable for everything except like the dynamic footstep, whatever. Oh, and the camera's colliding with it too. Okay, hold on. Hold on here. This is an issue. I'm relatively okay with the feet, but the camera colliding is not okay. So models, we're gonna go into this. Force off, force off, force off, force off. All right, and we'll just leave that one in. It doesn't matter. There should no longer be camera collision. Are you kidding me? Okay, wait, I think it worked. I just didn't update it. I think it worked though. Yay! Oh, the feet are working too. Okay, all right. We're good. So it was an update bug, although it was probably my fault. Let's be honest. So there you go. Let's delete this. And one more test. Oh, whoa, did you guys see that? Wait, did you guys see that? It was like the camera was clipping on something. But I can't get it to happen again. All right, whatever. Oh, my NOT gate's finished. It turned out so well. Oh, this is beautiful. This is really nice. Look at this, guys. So I needed to redesign the knot gate, right? To avoid copyright issues. All the gates, sorry, all the magnets. So you can see how I chamfered the edges and just everything about it's different. I made it like myself, basically. It's cool. Let me color this in really quick. It shouldn't take too long. Turned out really well. Check it out. Look at that. Sorry if it's not focusing, but it looks better in person, but it still looks pretty cool on camera. So hopefully you guys are okay with the new design. I had a feeling, well, I was hoping just straight up copying the Media Molecule gadgets would be fine, but after talking to Tom, it probably won't be. He hasn't gotten back to me yet. Oh, hey, Duck, I didn't even notice. I thought you were someone else. What's up? But yeah, it's probably going to be an issue. So I've been working on redesigning all of them from scratch. It's cool though. I like it. It's a shame I can't completely copy it, but I understand why. All right, actually, I want to start the other print really quick. I also have the OR gate designed. How's it going, Boom? Let's do so we just finished our first goal, which was the saw blade tower. And now this is the tough part. So hovering a tower and left clicking opens its upgrade menu. Let's work on that. Okay. So obviously we have towers, and hovering it and left clicking it will open its upgrade menu. What the hell? What's going on here? The camera... There appears to be camera clipping issues. Oh, I think it's with the hologram. Okay, let's obviously fix that first. So here's our hologram, our client-side hologram. And yeah, this needs to be, game collision, force off, camera collision, force off. I'm just manually doing this one by one because I've had issues. Okay, save. Let's try that. I mean, it's hard. It's going to be hard to reproduce that, but yeah, there you go. So it's working now. Okay. Anyway, hover. We hover, and then I want to left click. I want to be able to left click, and then it opens a menu. Probably in the top left. Okay, and then we unhover, and it closes the menu. That's it. Oh, no, sorry. That's not it. Hover and click. Hover click opens the menu. Right click closes the menu. And then left click again, maybe left click and hold upgrades the tower. Okay. The print's starting. Looks good to me. So how do we begin to approach this? It's all client side, right? Changing the tower will be server side, but clicking it and stuff is just going to be client side, and opening the menu is going to be client side. I think. So let's think about this. And another thing, should two people be able to edit the same tower at the same time? No. So that's what's going to be server side, whether or not the tower is being edited. We have tower editing, and we have editing cursor. So this is the cursor, and we know when we're hovering. So that's the first step. Do we know what we're hovering? We have get object hovered name. We could also just get the object hovered, I believe. Prop building aiming. Get object hovered, yeah, so that's the function. So boom, that's a good question though. It's kind of like the game. I like making tower defense games as like the first thing I make in a new engine. Cause like I've made them before. I know how to make it fun. I know everything that goes into it. So it's a good starter project for me. That's why. That's a good question. Not sure why you're so personally offended by it, but it's a good question. So editing cursor. And then we have our editing. So let's go to UI and UI container. And so test tower, star 2, editing cursor, building cursor. Let's make another panel. Is it utility? No, it's neither of those. There it is. So we're looking for a panel, and this panel is going to be edit tower menu. All right, and within this menu, we're going to have a bunch of stuff. But right now, I'm just going to do maybe this and maybe this. So the text box is going to be, and this is like super rough, but this is going to be tower name, and this is going to be the panel. So I'm gonna just put it top left. And maybe can we inherit the width? for both of these, not the height. This one gets width and height. So now I can do this. Yeah, very nice. So I'm gonna put this right here for now. And, well, maybe here. Maybe here. So we have our edit tower menu. This is all I'm gonna do for now, okay? So maybe maybe we do one more thing. So right click to cancel. Left click to upgrade. What else is there? I don't want it to be buttons though. They could be. They could be buttons where you use the mouse to click. Hey, Keld. Not enough predators. So even if I wanted to do something like that, I could not. Because there are very few NPCs in this game for well, okay, that's actually false. There's a ton of NPCs, but they're all human. There are very few animal NPCs in this game. I can show you. So we go to animated meshes and tons of humanoid stuff. But the only animal stuff, we have a little dragon and we have a little fox. And that's it. That's it. Oh, and we have a raptor, excuse me. So I'm gonna have to get creative with the enemies. But like we got zombies, we got skeletons, but they're all humanoid. The animal related things are very underwhelming for now, but it's okay. How you doing, Keld? How is the Filmflix thing doing? Man, I'm so hungry. I've only eaten breakfast today and it's 6 p.m., but I'm going out to eat with my parents, so, you know. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, let's add something to tell the player that we can cancel. I just, like, I'm trying to think if I should give the player the mouse when this menu is open. I kind of want to, because what if I make it so you can hover things and then you get like an info prompt? I couldn't do that if I didn't give the player the mouse. So let's make them buttons. We have an edit tower menu. Let's go back to this and let's go to UI elements. We're going to do UI button. Okay, and this UI button, we're gonna put, oh, we can just do a little X actually, instead of cancel. Okay, we lost it. Image, cancel, close. There you go, all right. So we have button color, hovered color, press color, disabled color. That's kind of nice. I mean, I don't really care right now, so I guess all white is fine. And then maybe we do another image. Wowzers. We do another image and put the button under it. I just want this to be super rough right now. Dude, let's actually not do that. Guys, I cannot stress this enough. This is like as this is as temporary as it gets. But, you know. So we have our button, we have our button background. It might make more sense to make maybe we make yeah, this is probably the right way to do it. We make the button the background. And we make the image. Doing good. Dreamflix has been a blast. I'm glad. I'm really glad. Are you gonna do a short one? If you ever do like a really short one, I'll join it, just because it's like a smaller time investment. I think center should just be the default. All right. Can I round this? Oh, I can't round it, but I can do something like that. Okay, this unironically looks decent. But I don't want to give myself too much praise. That looks horrible. Holy shit. I don't know why I can't. Okay, that's fine. Okay. I'm spending way too much time on this. So now let's do close. Maybe button close and copy and paste. And now I want button upgrade. And where is this? Right there. So I wish we could just like round it like dynamically, but I guess it's fine. Hey, Energy, what's up? Guess who's here? What does that mean? This is probably going to be text. Yeah. So let's get rid of this image and replace it with some text. I didn't want to close that. That's fine. So the text is going to be upgrade. It's going to be white. I cannot see it at the moment. Now I can. Let's fill the entire parent. Can I add padding? Let's anchor. Yep, middle center. Oh, maybe vertical baseline. Is this off? Oh. All right. I guess that's what we do. We have an upgrade button. Maybe make it. I don't freaking know. Yellow, gold, green. How about green? And finally, this is blinding me. Can we make it a little bit more neutral? Beautiful. All right. Massive, and then we'll put our stats here. Massive work in progress. Like, I cannot stress that enough. But so when this opens, I want the mouse, right? I want to give the player access to the mouse. Can we add like a border to this? Way to add a border. I think we do this. Call it border. Make it black. Is there a shadow? I don't think so. Yeah. So like this UI editor, it's cool, but Like it has a lot of pluses over media molecules, but it also has some negatives. But it's okay. So we have our border, which is all black. Does this mess it up if I do center, center, and then this one, center, center, and then we want this one to just be slightly smaller. No. Oh, inherit parent width, inherit parent width. So this one, yes. This one, no, I guess. And then, I mean, we could just do it manually. It definitely looks as if it looks a little better. I guess just name. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's all set up. Now, here we go. So obviously it should start invisible. So let's force it off. And we need, what the hell? Go in there. Okay. Let's just test this one more time. Okay, we're good. We need to make it so that when we hover a tower and left click, the menu pops up and we get our mouse. And we disable movement. Okay. So, how do we do that? How do we disable player movement? I don't even know. Let's take it one step at a time. So we hover and we left click. We need like a field on this tower. Let's open our tower template. We don't need both. And tower manager. Okay. So this script, does it have, where are my properties? Okay, they're here, good. So, are they here? We're going to de-instance so we can change this. And obviously we're gonna get rid of that. Oh shoot, are we gonna have to do these changes on both? I think we will. That's annoying. Let's de-instance this one. Yeah, we will. Okay. The idea with the highlighter is that you know which tower you're editing, but I don't think we need that. I think we should just get rid of the highlighter. We have a hitbox. Where did I put the highlighter? Dude, I don't even see it. What is it called? I don't want the level display either. I'm gonna get rid of that as well. Oh, here it is. Highlighter under tower editing. Okay, so what is this? Oh, it's just an empty script. Okay, that's great. We'll figure that out. I don't think we need it. What's up? What'd you do? Oh, you got a cat. Nice. He wants to say hi. Yeah. There he is. Oh my god, he's so big. I think he hates this.
No, he likes it.
Okay. Whatever you say, babe. Whatever you say.
Be free.
Oh
Hello.
my goodness.
Hello.
Hello.
I put makeup on. I don't look like I'm dead.
You never look like you're dead.
No, I did. I did look like I was dead.
Fair enough.
Truly.
So,
I like looked in the mirror and I was like, oh my god. Oh dear. Oh no.
let's see.
What are you making this time? Which tip?
An orgate.
Nice.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to show you. Okay. So,
Wow. Oh my god.
ignore those. We have.
You have a spinny
Well,
thing.
no. Look. We have this tower, and then
What?
we have this tower. So that's all working.
Wow.
Yeah.
That blade.
And then rotate works. It's a little easier to see on this one.
Babe, watch out.
I know.
Oh my god. Wait, are you going to make them non-collidable? Wait, so how is
they're
this game gonna work?
supposed to
Are
be
you gonna be like a
non-collidable.
character in this game?
Yep, you're just gonna be walking around playing with your friends, basically. I haven't figured out balancing yet, like,
Oh,
cause
that's cool. Because like normally you're like top.
yeah,
down,
exactly. So you're like in the game. It's look
You
up
should
Dungeon
You should be able
Defenders.
to like walk around while they're going. That
You
would
will
so-
be.
Oh really?
Yeah, you can just and you'll be able to upgrade things while it's going.
Oh my god! Wait, no, we make this so much better. I just had the best idea in the whole world.
What?
Okay, so it's a multiplayer game. And you know
Yes.
like those Gary Mock things, like where you try
No.
to like kill your friends.
I don't.
Okay, like you like they're running through the track and you're the one that like pushes the button to activate the traps.
Yes.
Like what if you take turns like being the people on there and like going through?
That'd actually be really funny. So like it's a tower defense game, but you're forced to run down this path.
Yes. How fun would that be?
Dude, wow, wait, that's a really good idea.
Oh my god.
And then this entire system I already have built out would work for it.
It's actually really funny.
I don't even know. Oh god.
It would be a fun multiplayer game.
Right. I mean, that's not a tower defense. That's Death Run, but
Yeah, but it's
you
fun.
are creating the Death Run.
Yeah. See, I have good ideas.
You do.
It's all those papers I've been writing. It's getting my creative juices flowing.
Now I'm trying to think, like, how would the person placing the traps, like,
Wait, what if you have to place them like as your friends are running? Like you like have to run and like place them quick. I don't know.
that does
was
not
dumb.
sound balanced.
Yeah.
But oh man, I don't know. That's a funny idea, though. I'm gonna stick with this, but it's a cool idea.
Thank you.
So we hover and then we click.
Oh, we have to leave soon.
I know we have to leave in about
I was gonna
20 minutes.
I was gonna study a little bit, but guess I can't. Oh no.
Oh no,
How tragic.
it is tragic.
I definitely wanted to do that.
You still can.
No.
You still
there's
can.
not enough time. You know, by the time I get my notes out, contemplate my existence, think about dropping out.
That's fair.
You
That's
know,
fair.
all those things, all the necessities. By the time I get those.
All the necessities.
My professors were like, "Oh, don't be worried about your lab practical. It's like, it's just literally every single thing we've learned is gonna be on there. Don't worry though." And like, well, now I'm extra worried. I wasn't worried before, and then I was. Also, I got my grade back from my counseling thing last week, and I'm so
How'd it go?
mad. I literally forgot to ask the patient if they had allergies because I
Babe.
am stupid.
Wow.
And
So you
she
should have.
said I looked down at my paper a lot. I don't,
Is that not allowed?
I don't know.
I guess it's
Like,
not allowed.
you want me to stare into your soul? Like, What allergies do you have? How did your doctor tell you to take
Well,
this medication?
No, and then this is you. What allergies did you have? So I don't know. What's up, Boom? Acer's better half.
Okay, see,
Yeah.
and the other
fair
thing is,
enough.
like, because of COVID, they make us sit, like, we go into, like, a little room to do our counseling thing, and they sit, like, way in the corner, and I'm literally, like, 10 feet away. Like, it's the most awkward thing.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah,
That's
it's
funny.
so awkward. Like, it'd be easier if you're, like, next to the person. But whatever.
Right.
Hey, Boom.
Server can send data to the client. I can see where the properties changed. I guess I don't need to do that at all. Okay. I need the client to talk to the server, and I need, so this tower, for example.
Typhus says, WTF is this?
Hey Typhus, what's up? This is called Core. It's like Dreams, but it has multiplayer. It has multiplayer, it has monetization, it does not have sculpting, it does not have importing sound, and it does not have animating. So I did not quit Dreams. No, I did not quit Dreams.
He's taking a break.
I'm not even taking a break. I mean, I'm just trying to. I have some YouTube videos to make of my Twitch streams, and every time I stream Dreams, I get even more behind. Now, I don't believe there is music
What if
making.
you did your
There's
videos
music.
the night you streamed?
The night I stream, it takes a couple hours to edit, so.
Well, I guess you just
I
have
don't
to work hard.
But so we're doing this, and I enjoy this. It's fun because there's real coding in it.
Is there music making?
I don't think there is. Time-lapse sculpt videos, those are the easiest thing to edit. They're so easy to edit. You should. And you don't need any, it's okay that your mic is bad, unless it's not bad anymore, but I have a feeling it is. Because you don't need to talk, it's just a time-lapse.
You just need some funky jams in the background.
Actually, do you have like a computer that can actually like run the editing software?
Why are you roasting him so hard? That video, that's so easy to edit. Your mic is shit.
It's easy to edit, but it's you still need a computer. You still need a computer to render it. I'm asking because I could probably just help you out with it. Yeah, I mean you could probably do it with Windows Movie Maker. Yeah, it's because you wouldn't even have any cuts. I do be like that sometimes. It's all good. So how do the tower needs to know whether it's being edited or not. But how do I do that? I mean, this script.
Have you tried talking to it?
All right, can you go somewhere else? Can you go study or something?
What? I'm helping. I've already.
You're not helping. I can't do anything right now.
Up with one good idea.
I can't do anything right now.
Hello?
I can't focus at all.
Did I not come up with a brilliant idea? Like, not even 10 minutes ago.
How do we want to do this? How do we want to do that? I mean, right now we could just ignore the fact that multiple people could edit the same tower, but I don't.
Honestly, that sounds way more fun.
Yeah, but it wouldn't.
Screw each other
It
over.
wouldn't work. Well, no, you can only upgrade, delete, or cancel.
I have an idea. Okay.
What?
So what if it was like that chicken game we play on the Switch?
Okay.
Where, like
We could just recreate that, honestly.
You place all the towers and stuff, and then you have to run through it, and you try to commit it.
We could remake that game, honestly. Please stop, seriously. Come on, please. Like I'm please.
Stop trying to hold my hand then.
Alright. Being edited. Currently being edited. Okay. this is false. We start this as false. It's a local property. And I just don't know. I guess, would it be the tower manager? Does this have access to this? Oh, whoa. Right, so that's this property currently being edited. I don't know if I'm even allowed to. Can the client change this on the server? I don't know. I don't even know if this is gonna work, but we'll see. And then we'll have to do the same thing to this tower. Maybe. Let's just, you know what, let's just ignore it, because there's other stuff to do first. So we're just gonna not even worry about that right now. Well, actually, then I don't even think we need to touch either of these towers. So we just need to focus on what? On tower editing. So we know the object that's being hovered, and we can get the object that's being hovered. The tower hitbox is the object that will be hovered. The tower hitbox. I can get the parent of that to get the name of the tower. Can I get all the data? The data would be... Where will the data be stored?
In the data bank.
Probably this. They don't need to be editable properties, though, do they? I guess it should be the tower manager script. Maybe. Oh, it does need to be editable. Yeah, it does need to be editable.
Okay, this was really fun.
All right, thank you. Please leave. Holy shit.
Well, now I'm gonna stay.
Please leave. Baby, I can't do
You're
anything.
So happy that I'm
When you're
leaving.
just sitting here, like, I can't do this. I like it when you come and like and join us, but please let me focus. Please. I'm begging you.
Yeah.
Okay, go and study for like 15 more minutes. And then we'll go.
I'm gonna watch Netflix.
Alright. Bye. Alright, I'm thinking that we add some properties into this. But do we put it? I guess we. Yeah, let's put the properties here. It doesn't really matter. Let's put the properties here. I think that makes sense. So add custom property. We have like, and it's gonna be like the name, the tower name, the tower like damage, the attack speed, whatever, just that kind of stuff. So we have a string name. Hey Josepho, what's up? Maybe like tower name. Oh, okay. Tower name. And this is going to be test tower 2. And I know the name is right here, but it's fine. And then like we can add other stuff such as like, I don't know, level and damage and stuff. Hey Captain Morgan, what's up? What else? I mean, maybe just like something like damage. Attack speed. Stuff like that. Or maybe, so rather, yeah, attack speed, attacks per second. Attacks. Attacks per second. stuff like that. But right now I'm only going to be doing the name. Is this the right? I think this is the right way to do it. I'm probably going to need a unique script for every one of these towers. That's probably what's going to have to happen. What does this script even do right now? This just handles the base visual. So maybe I rename that as like tower base manager. It's going well. It's going well. Dealing with logic issues in Blender. Logic issues in Blender. That's interesting. We successfully made it so we can spawn in 2 different towers, and now I want a menu to pop up when we click a tower. That's what we're working on right now. When I put it that way, it's easy. But okay, so in this we have tower name, damage, attacks per second, and I'm just gonna do the exact same thing here. So name, and I'm gonna rename this. Obviously it's a tower. Name test tower 1. Damage. Attacks per second. Okay. Okay. So the building aiming, I can get the object that's hovered. Then I can get that object's parent, which will have all of these custom properties. Can I get custom property? Can I get that? Yes, I can. Oh, it's a table. Okay, get custom property. Okay. Oh, it's a table. Interesting. Okay, so since it's a table, I actually can share the script. Hey Perjas, what's up? Okay, so building aiming. Tower, we want to go to tower editing, and again, we have the hover object's name. So basically I need to check if I left click. So how do I know if I left click? I think it's right here. So this is building aiming. Let's just copy and paste these functions. We'll do it here. I wish there was an easier way to get whether or not the player left clicked, but right now this is the only way to do it that I know of. Basically, you check if when the player joins, right? And then on player joined, I bind this function to pressing a button, basically. Select tower attempt is what this is going to be. So now we get we make a new function called select tower attempt, and build tower attempt. So we need this. Okay, so whenever the player presses literally any button, this function gets called. So the first thing we need to do is check whether it's the left mouse button. All right. There needs to be an easy way to do this. Okay, if it's the left, what are we gonna do? We need to get object hovered. So local tower hovered or something. Get object hovered. Get object hovered. So local object hovered equals, it's not just this though, it's this. So we're calling this function from this script by doing this. So local object hovered equals this. If object hovered dot name does not equal, I think it's called tower hitbox. I don't remember. It needs to be tower hitbox. Oh, wait. Yeah, right here, tower hitbox. So if the object hovered, if the object hovered's name, I guess is how I pronounce that, is not tower hitbox, then I just return. All right. So if we haven't returned, that means that this object hovered is a tower. So local tower hovered equals the object hovered parent. Okay, because right here, this is what we're hovering, the hitbox. The parent is the tower. Okay, that's the tower. So now what? We need to open the menu. We need to open the menu. Let's make a new script. So I want to create a script, and I want the script to be editing menu. Okay. So in this editing menu, we need access to the edit tower menu UI. Do we need anything else? I'm not sure yet. So let's do a function open menu, and this will pass in the tower of the menu. This will pass in the tower, the menu of the tower we're opening. No, the tower for the menu we're opening. Yeah. So tower. Okay, words are hard. So then it's basically bam.visibility equals, hold on, it's dot lowercase visibility equals capital visibility dot force on. Okay. I know. And then I also want to get button close and button upgrade, but we'll work on that later. I just want the menu to open. We're very close. So another thing, we want the name, okay? And prop name is going to be dot text equals this tower dot name. All right. Or actually, no, it's the tower dot get property. How do get custom property tower get custom property, and then the property is name. Okay, perfect. Because there's a difference. All right, the getting the name would work, but I want to be able to get these properties right here, right? So that's what I'm doing. Can we get tank top? What does that mean? Can we get it? Do you want me to wear a tank top, or do you want the top of a tower to be a tank? Are you trying to say tank tower? Wait, what are you saying, Morgan? Okay. Oh yeah, look at these guns. No, it's not even in the camera. Okay. So prop name dot text menu name. Let's name it that. Menu name and edit tower menu.
I love it's a 10-minute drive.
Yeah, I know. We have to leave in 1 minute. Okay. Function open tower. Okay, we're so close. So now. Here we go. Select tower attempt. Prompt editing menu dot context dot open menu. So this will call the open menu function. Oh, and I need to pass in the tower. So the tower, right here, tower hovered. And then it'll call this function. This should work. I hope. Okay. Kind of worked. Accepted string. Received nil. Oh, well, that's easy. It's because I didn't. So right here, see, name is test tower 1. I didn't actually update this. So I need to update template from this, update template from this. And now if we do it, so bam, bam, check this out. So if we do this, test tower 2. If we do this, test tower 1. All right, it actually works. So we're clicking it and we're getting the data. It's working. I have to go. All right, I have to go. But oh, and Morgan, check this out. Okay, what the hell? I don't know why the chat. Check this out, dude. So we can place this and rotate it, and it places in the way we rotate, and then we can do it with this tower as well. So we're well on our way to an actual tower defense game. Yeah. Thanks. The towers don't do anything yet, but hopefully that's the easy part. So yeah, guys, as long as I don't get back at like 10, I should be back in like an hour and a half. I'm gonna keep doing this, so stay tuned. But I'm not gonna raid because I don't have time to like say hello to the raiders. But need a tower that shoots shit. Yeah, exactly. I will be back, guys. Hey, Seth. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please, if you're still awake, I will be back today. I promise. So I'll see you soon.
I have an imp. You probably don't. You might get one next year. You probably won't. You hear that, Acer? I'm talking to you. Getting nominated is nice, but it just won't do. Why watch him when you can watch me? Only one of us has won an MP. One last thing I'd like to assert. Go to twitch.tv and unfollow Acert.
And now we end the stream.